It's true, 100%. And this is another big scam, right? I want to mention saving money is a scam. People think saving money is the best thing. If you ask anyone, right, they'll say, "Yeah, save money, save money." But these people, again, there's a sign of low intelligence. Saving money when inflation goes up so rapidly is one of the most stupidest things you can do. Because when you save money, your money is going down, the value is going down.
Yeah,
Printing
but I
more
don't
and
see
more
it in their
money.
bank account going down. I don't see
Exactly.
it
This
going
is
in the
it.
bank account going down.
This is what I mean. This is why I say it's a sign of low intelligence, because you think your money's there, but really money value is going down. Things are increasing.
Borrow your money whenever they want. They give it out to loans. That's why we got
Exactly.
fractionalized banking in the first place. So then they can basically take
Exactly.
your money, give it out to like 9 other people, so they turn your $10 into 100, into 1,000, and then it just
Yep.
keeps on multiplying from there because it's got a 10 times multiplier, including yourself, with which they make interest rate off and give you only a tiny little percentage of what they actually earn, because they're earning like 7, 8, 10, 15, $500,000 a year of just the loans that they have as well.
100%.
And also, that's a problem with fractionalized banking. And also, you don't know what even makes it worse now. In Australia, you can actually buy a house without having an actual deposit. It is possible.
They're just
Australia,
trying to put more people in debt and trying to put more people in a position where they can't leave. Like, this is another
Yeah.
thing about mortgages, right? I don't believe in mortgages myself because I feel like you're going to be tied down to one country.
There you go.
Ultimately, if you want to have freedom, you're better off just renting, to be honest, where you can live where you want. Like, I don't believe this idea
Well, you
about
got to the least,
mortgages.
you got to live right.
Yeah, what's the point of paying off a house for 70 years and having the house for 70 years? What are you going to do with the house?
Exactly. And you're fixed in one state for so many years.
Exactly.
Come on. I got to be living like 1,000 states in one day.
And you can't even give it to your, like, in the UK, there's like inheritance tax. I think it's like 40%. So what's the point? What is the actual point?
There you go.
I actually want to even add on to that. It's like the Australian government have now just added that we can't even do negative gearing. So we can't even make money from the property whenever it loses money, because then it lowers down our actual income, which means we then get back our GST. Well, not GST. We then get back our tax credits, which we've paid, our tax debt, which we paid to the government as tax credits. It's like they've just stopped that. And on top of that, now they can't stop people from getting franking credits from basically paying themselves, and also added a 30% tax onto the actual trust. So it's like you pay 60% tax for just owning a property.
Well, they just tax
But
everything.
before, like all the other taxes as well.
Yeah, they're gonna tax you till you die, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if there's oxygen tax one day. You know what I'm trying to say?
Oh no,
They're gonna
there is.
tax you till you die, bro. It's crazy, bro. When you understand, this is what I'm saying. When you understand the way the system is built and the way the system is run, you want to just be away from that. You want to kind of like, and again, this is one of the reasons why I moved to Dubai, in the sense that I wanted to make money online, right? And it's crazy because I speak to most people, even about making money online. Let's even have this conversation, right? I speak to most people, and I say, "Don't you want to have freedom? Don't you want to make money online?" They're like, "Yeah, that's a dream. That's a dream." I'm like, "Why are you working on a different dream? I don't understand this." A lot of people would work on a physical business, or they would work in the 9 to 5, maybe get a better job, right? But they want freedom. Everyone wants freedom. Everyone wants to travel, do what they want, but they're not working towards that. And I find that completely like crazy.
Hey guys, if you need any help where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description where it says work with me, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you.